They look like they're best friends, right?
I'm Joleen, mom.
When I say like mom, like in a store, they'll be like, Mom, I thought you guys were sisters. And I'm like, oh no, that's my mom.
This is Joleen Diaz, a 47-year-old woman who looks incredibly young and youthful for her age. But how? In spite of being a single mother living a normal life as an elementary teacher in Northern California, she is quite engrossed about her well-being. But what is it that she does that makes her look so young like her 20-year-old daughter? Watch this video till the end to find out. Now she got under the limelight when a photo of her with her 19-year-old daughter got the internet. They started sharing pictures and videos together, which astonished the fans of how young she looks. People say she got it from genes. I mean, of course it is partly true, but bearing the hot and wet Northern California climate is not that easy as well, so how does she maintain? In Kelly's show, she herself mentioned that she started taking good care of her skin from her 20s.
Since I was about 12 or 13, I was always messing around with my mom's skincare.
She had started using vitamin C and retinol. Now, if you go to a dermatologist, they also recommend to use retinol overnight, as it is great for fine lines, open pores, and even skin tone. And vitamin C, on the other hand, helps in brightening. She also mentioned that she got motivated from her neighbor gymnast, and she says no to habits that makes you age faster, like
I rarely ever drink alcohol and I don't smoke.
It is quite exciting and praiseworthy that she doesn't get tempted by the habits that make your body and health down and out. We can't stop our body from aging, but these interesting facts from Joleen Diaz can help you maintain energy and appearance better. We have covered everything from her detailed diet, exercises, food, to her ultimate personal skincare routine. It's commendable how this woman aged at 46 and is exuberant. Keeping the fact aside that she is undeniably beautiful, she obviously has defied the time. And what all contributed to her secret is, we're gonna know it now. Diet. Now, Joleen isn't very particular about her diet, but she is quite strict about the high-quality proteins, so she likes to have eggs and fish. She never misses a day without nuts. She always have almonds, cashews, and berries around her. First, let's know about her breakfast routine. She likes to have beetroot and quinoa salad, which not only is a flavorful salad, but also fully nourishes the body. On other days, she eats roasted almonds with sweet potato, as it's loaded with antioxidants that fights aging, and it also may help you reduce bad cholesterol levels. Now adding avocado to your salad is a great tip to double the benefits. Avocado in general is great for better digestion and also helps you lose weight. She loves eggs with avocados on a gluten-free bread. On days when she is busy and running late in the morning, she has an apple and unroasted, unsalted cashews. For afternoon, she has 2 baked eggs mixed with veggies. Other days, she has tomatoes, lentils, quinoa, and smoked salmon salad. Now this is something different that she does, is juice cleanse. What is this juice cleanse now? So, Joleen does this juice cleanse routine every 3 days to clear out toxins, where she only has her juices for 1 full day to reset her eating habits and to feel rejuvenated. Now she believes that juices should be cold-pressed or homemade, as it helps maintain the quality and nutrients. She starts with celery and lemon juice that really cleanse the body. Then every 2 hours she has different flavored juices just to keep her full so she doesn't have to have any full meal. She recommends a few juices like watermelon and coconut juice, spinach and cucumber juice, peach, carrot and ginger juice. What it does is, it detoxifies the body, providing all the nutrients that prevents bloating. If we talk about her general drinks, it is none other than green tea and matcha, which again is loaded with antioxidants, which eventually contributes to a healthier looking skin. She has her matcha almost every day. Now, coming to dinner, she often has fish, which helps in skin elasticity and again is a high source of protein. Joleen is a sucker for fresh tropical fruits, as fruits are naturally sweet and can combat your cravings for sugar. She is an ultimate snacker, so it's fruits or cashews she snacks on. Food she avoids. Beef, which is high in fat, she occasionally consumes chicken. Dairy is another thing she completely avoids. Exercises. Now coming to the exercises, she believes in running for about 10 minutes long. She hardly misses it. In her opinion, it is mandatory to train yourself on working out. She told this in her vlog that she does 35 minutes of cardio and 20 minutes of strength training. In addition to that, she really enjoys bodyweight training without any equipment. Nowadays, she relies on easy exercises like lunges, squats, staircase add-in kick, along with the set of planks for 60 seconds. She believes that being physically active not only strengthens your bones, but also improves your brain health and can drastically reduce stress. Skincare routine. Joleen says people have a lot of rituals. Now, when there is so much of variety for skincare is available in the market these days, she relies on her argan oil to remove her eye makeup and double cleansing with a micellar water. Double cleansing is a thorough method to remove makeup and durans from your face. First step with an oil-based cleanser like argan oil breaks down any makeup and residue on your eyes. Then she uses micellar water for her entire face, and second step is to follow it up with a gentle cleanser. In the morning, she usually washes her face with a hydrating cleanser, and at night she uses a foaming cleanser as she has acne-prone skin since childhood. Then she follows up her skincare routine with a vitamin C serum in the morning, which helps in hyperpigmentation, and hyaluronic acid serum at night, which deeply nourishes the skin, and on the days when she is applying tretinoin cream, she makes sure she moisturized her skin pretty well to avoid any further irritation. Tretinoin is really great if you are in your late 20s to even tone the skin and prevent signs of aging. Her secret weapon is to use a separate towel for her face and light shield device with red and blue lights which targets hyperpigmentation. She is really strict about sun protection. She never leaves her house without it. Sunblock does protect you from premature aging in long run. Also, her holy grail is coconut oil, which she lathers all over her body, as it is a natural conditioner and antibacterial as well. Just like her skincare, she has a complete routine for her teeth. She relies on floss and teeth stripes. Also, she likes to use her electric toothbrush at night. She follows it up with a whitening mouthwash with enamel protection. When it comes to her shower routine, Joleen loves using body washes, which smell like frosty cupcakes or doesn't have any fragrance at all. She also foot scrub every time she showers, as it helps in removing the dead skin from your feet, make it looking healthier. Hence, now we know how to attain and maintain a healthy lifestyle without spending a fortune. Joleen Diaz doesn't dream, she indeed is living it at her 40s. She's a role model, inspiring everyone, because when you feel good, you look good.